Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to live chat with the target support team. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in target.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Target website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and password. Once you are logged in and you end up back in the homepage, scroll all the way down and underneath help, you will see the contact us button. Go ahead and click on it and then within choose a topic, click on the drop down menu and choose whichever option closely resembles your issue. You will then see the contact us section where you will see the chat with us online option as well. Click on the chat now button and now this will open up the chat window with the Target support chat assistant. You can simply proceed forward with typing in your message within the message box and sending your query to the support team. And with this process, you will be able to have your query resolved on your Target account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to chat with the Target support team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.